And Channel 3 is continuing to track the vaccine around the country, including here in our state. And our country actually is recognizing Connecticut in a big way because we're actually leading the way in the race to protect people against the coronavirus. Our state is the first in the nation to fully vaccinate more than half of adults. Now state leaders are focusing on targeting folks who have had a hard time reaching those vaccination destinations. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanne joins us now live in New Haven. Roger, it sounds like these vaccines could be delivered right at the doorstep. They're really trying to make it easy for people, huh?
Yeah, absolutely, Nicole. That is definitely going to be part of the next phase of this program to try to get everybody in our state vaccinated. You mentioned that major milestone. Again, 50% of adults in our state fully vaccinated. That is definitely encouraging. It's proof that the mass vaccination clinics are working, certainly up to a certain point. And we're going to tell you about one that's just about to open up here in New Haven a little bit later on this morning. But the next step, according to the governor, is to take doses directly to some of the folks who have been a little bit more difficult to reach. And they are willing to spend some pretty major money to do so. Listen to this. State leaders announced plans yesterday to spend $13 million taken out of our federal COVID relief fund. And they're going to use that cash to target people who have proven to be a bit of a challenge to vaccinate. That money will be divvied up and distributed to 27 different cities, towns, and health organizations. And the funds will help pay for programs like knocking on doors, as Nicole mentioned, along with phone calls and direct mailers to folks who have not yet been vaccinated. The governor says it will be money well spent because right now, vaccinating every adult must be one of our state's top priorities.
It's going to go out to messaging, going out to door knocking, going out to telephone calls, working with our amazing local public health departments.
And there's a very easy way to get the vaccine today. If you are a New Haven resident, 18 or older, you can get your shot right here at the Taft Apartments, which is on College Street, right near the Schubert Theater. It is completely free, and you don't need an appointment. You can show up anytime between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. Reporting live in New Haven, I'm Roger Suzanne, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.